How to buy MAGA 2025 token. So this token came under the symbol of MAGA. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down description. You can get free money, rewards, or crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go to below, find your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on COINEX. To be able to buy this token, what you need to do is easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the base network. Now open your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitget wallet. Select the base as a network from here, as you can see. And after that, click on this plus icon, paste the token address here. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Go back to your wallet and find the token that you just added called the MAGA. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Now click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC, but make sure you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive in a while, as you can see. After that, it is a simple. Click on swap here and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy MAGA 2025 token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.